Hey, it's Julie. Happy Saturday. I'm going to do a quick weekend wrap up and talk about a little bit of events coming up next week, which might make it a fun week to trade coming up. The calendar is going to give us a lot of trading opportunities next week. There is an eye going to be given to any data that could potentially affect the CPI. Oops. And that is on the calendar all week from Monday through Friday. Monday starts out with manufacturing PMI, and we'll want to see a continued report above the 50s. And then Tuesday, we've got existing home sales and consumer confidence. So we'd like to see that, continue high. And Wednesday, we've got services PMI, new home sales, and crude oil inventories. Crude oil could affect the market. Thursday, more CPI numbers with the durable goods and initial jobless claims. We're coming off last week of some hot data on Friday, positive for the CPI. And so we're going to look for continued evidence of strength in the overall economy and in these numbers. And so if they continue being positive, that's going to give the Fed the legging it needs to stay on their current calendar for hikes and maybe get 3 of the 4 in or something like that. We are in a downtrend, and we are slowing down in the momentum at first slowed down on this continued downtrend, but now that we've gotten this shift just recently of economic indicators coming up, I'm going to expect to see this market continue back down is my initial inkling. I would like to fade a rally into this level if it does get up this high, this level at just around 2000, up to 2000. So anything that rolls over between the current location, which it could roll over here, where we are presently, potentially, get some strong economic data out. You don't know whether to rally it up or to fade it. Well, I'm going to fade it either here or here, one of the two, and look for strong trend continuation to the downside. And how that looks on my chart, I will show you. Look for trades on the outer edges of these Keltner bands. And when you get an opportunity for a trend direction in the original trend continuation in the original direction, always take these on the higher time frame chart. Even a pullback from an upper Keltner area provides a lot of room for some good moves. Granted, this is not all the RTH session hours. You have to be able to recognize the market turns when they occur and then just stay in that direction until it changes. And then trading to your locations. You've got your point of control on the composite point of control at 1890, composite VWAP at 1876. I've got a support level at 1870. Again, another previous point of control, and lower value area around 1850. So got several levels to trade down to. I'm just not really looking for an upside continuation move. other than maybe a reach for an outer Keltner channel, which would be an excellent location to short this down. So one of these two bands, I'll be looking for the next red candle and then take it down again on the low momentum that we're currently in. So we shall see. It's going to be a fun week next week. I'm like to either keep it on short bar direction overall and then just set up, be ready for those setups and just ride them. I can use Raven to just execute those trades whenever they occur, and then hold the position, or trade both ways, up and down. So I'll probably set up short next week and try that as my strategy. And again, with an eye on trading, executing at an upper Keltner band, ideally, but I'll be watching for these inflections to roll over. So y'all have a great week. Keep an eye on the trend. Daily 60 15 is still currently bullish, but I imagine that this is going to turn red again next week. So enjoy your week, your opportunities. They're all across the board, and we'll compare notes on Friday and see how we did. Thank you so much.